Is your transmission acting erratic, or is your check engine light staring you down? You might be dealing with code P0710, which points directly to a transmission fluid temperature sensor, a circuit malfunction. This is a generic powertrain code, meaning it pops up on almost any vehicle equipped with this sensor, from Fords and Jeeps to Hondas and Toyotas. Essentially, your car's computer, or PCM, relies on this sensor to know how hot the transmission fluid is. It uses that temperature data to decide exactly when to shift gears and how much pressure to apply. The sensor is usually a negative temperature coefficient thermistor located inside the transmission oil pan. In plain English, that means as the fluid gets hotter, the sensor's internal resistance goes down, sending a specific voltage signal back to the computer. When the PCM sees a signal that does not make sense or detects a break in the circuit, it triggers code P0710. The symptoms can range from annoying to severe. You might notice the torque converter clutch acting up, harsh or delayed shifts, or your vehicle might even go into limp mode to protect itself. If you ignore this, you could face serious internal transmission damage. The causes are often electrical, like loose connections, damaged wiring, or a faulty sensor, but it could also be the PCM itself. To fix this, start with a visual inspection of the wiring harness plugged into the transmission. Look for any burns or breaks. If that looks good, you will need a digital multimeter. You are going to test the sensor's resistance. With the sensor disconnected and the engine running, the resistance on your meter should drop smoothly as the engine warms up. If the engine gets hot, but the resistance stays stuck, the sensor is toast. You also need to check for a 5-volt reference signal from the computer. If you are not getting 5 volts at the connector, you might have a broken wire or a computer issue. If electrical testing is not your thing, or if the code persists after swapping the sensor, it is time to take it to a professional, as internal transmission repairs can get complicated fast. Thanks for watching, and keep that transmission running cool.